Losing a loved one is difficult, and the legal aftermath can be overwhelming. But in Wyoming, a small estate affidavit might be the simple solution you need. A small estate affidavit lets assets bypass the complex probate process. In Wyoming, assets transfer directly to heirs if the estate value is under $400,000 as of 2026. To qualify, the estate must be under $400,000. 30 days must have passed since death, and no probate can be pending. Assets like trusts, payable on death accounts, life insurance, and jointly owned property do not count towards this limit. Here is the step-by-step process. First, obtain a certified death certificate. Next, complete the affidavit and have it notarized. Then file it with your local Wyoming County clerk. For real estate, you must publish a legal notice in a local newspaper. Finally, present the affidavit to claim and distribute the assets. This affidavit is simpler, faster, and cheaper than probate. But for complex estates, disputes, or real estate, always consult an attorney. Remember, this is not legal advice. Thanks for watching our guide on the Wyoming Small Estate Affidavit. Like, share, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments.